and welcome to Bob's World. Today I'm cleaning up the beach with a big group. You might have seen me in other videos pick up trash on the beach, or even when scuba diving in the ocean. I always try to keep the earth clean, because guess what? As far as I know, there's only one earth, and if we don't keep it clean, we're gonna destroy it. So I live in Long Beach, and anytime I see trash on the beach, I always pick it up. But today, because COVID has gotten better, we have a huge group and we're all working together to clean up the earth. Can you imagine if everyone all around the world helped each other to clean up the earth on a regular basis? What we could do to change the world and save our planet? It would be amazing! But today, I'm sticking with my crew, and I'm gonna pick up one piece of trash and save one animal at a time. Look at all the trash I found. Oh my gosh, there's bottles in here. Someone's social security card and driver's license. They lost it on the beach. There's cans, there's fishing rods. Somebody lost a shoe. Whoever you are, your shoe is here. Wherever you are in the world, you can do your part. You don't have to be by a beach. If you live in the mountains, pick up trash. If you live by rolling plains, you can pick up trash. And if you pick up trash, that means an animal won't die from eating it. So do your part wherever you live. You can help the world be a cleaner and nicer place. I hope you were inspired by this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share with your friends. And remember, you totally rock. They go bad. Oh, great. Yeah, we weren't sure what to do with it. Christina! Okay. Look at all this trash. You're cleaning the beach right now. Whoa.